Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at a Homelite 1130G chainsaw, vintage 70s saw, early 70s, 100cc motor, 6.1 cubic inch. Very popular muscle saw for that era, capable of running up to a 50 or 60 inch bar. This one features a 36 inch bar and chain. That's a Oregon bar with a roller nose. And we'll take a look at some of the features it had back in that time zone. Kill switch is tucked in here, right here, on off. Has a manual oil pump right here. Choke over here on the right. What made this saw so powerful was the gearbox, and you can see the gearbox on this side. That's how you were able to run the long bars with this particular model. Got the wrap handlebars, large falling spike, just a very popular muscle saw. We'll go outside and make a cut with it.